That's the crock pot. That's like for your morning, like before you go to work, or if you're gonna be gone for the entire day. What I done is it is just your cleaned up venison. Put in your crock pot, fill it with water. Cut up a large onion. I got about 6 whole cloves of garlic in there. I added garlic powder, lemon pepper, salt, and onion powder. Turn it on high and it can sit there all day. The longer it cooks, the tenderer it gets. Okay, now we're gonna get out the meat. Okay, see, this is tallow. This is also an indicator of how cold the winter's gonna be, and how thick that fat is in between the skin and their muscles. You don't want none of this on your meat. That will give it a really nasty taste. So that you wanna make sure you get all that off of. Inside here you got all these tendons. These you wanna clean off, get them out of there. And then because it's so muscular, you're gonna wanna take this stuff off. Now if you had a dog, that's beautiful. Dogs love that. I always scrapped out to my dog. So, just wanna get all this stuff off. Hope you guys.
I always hated it when my mother cleaned it and had hair on it.
Oh, that's why I was surprised. I was waiting to see the hair on this, and there wasn't.
Oh, God.
You know, it's just a membrane. This is part of the tissue, the muscle, is what holds like your. It's like what separates your muscles, like how your muscles like run together. It's like a fine tendon. I mean, if you get the lighter stuff in there, it's not so bad, and all it does is it's chewy. But it's the tallow is the main thing you want to make sure you get that. Also cube these, and you can, I mean, it makes really good stew. Or like I told them, it's like you can either that or even use it in your, like when you make wild rice soup. And always rinse in cold water.
Nice. Yeah, because you brought
Flour? It's just flour.
Oh, which one did you try that? One cheese wrap.
This is going to be much like your, remember when we did the fish?
Yeah.
It's going to be much the same.
Oh, really? What happened?
Yeah, there's that one, and then there's the one from...
That is your lemon pepper.
So then, how do you do it when you do it like for your stew? Do you brown your meat?
Yes.
Brown it?
You brown it, fry it up, you cube it up, brown it, and then you, like, venison don't have much of a fat content because you usually cut most of it off. So, again, in bacon grease is what I fry mine up in, and it gives it a really good flavor. I just hit them with a little flour, kind of like what you would do with liver.
Yeah.
What now? We are gonna wrap our venison for the freezer. I prefer my meat frozen versus canned, just because of the fact that you can use it any way you want to use it then. Versus when it's canned, it can get mushy on you when it's canned. And this way you got fresh, so you can use it for your stews or your steaks or your roasts or however you want to fix it. And this way not everybody's tastes are the same, and when you can meat, it's already flavored. This way you can flavor it the way you want, and you can do what you want with it. So you're gonna grab you a chunk of meat.